There, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome to the leftovers of the Moonlit Garden from Photoplay collection. I don't have much, honestly. I have a little bit of paper left, which is like a little bit, meaning a few scraps. In fact, I actually already put them in the trash because there's no reason I would save these little tiny guys unless I had a whole bunch of the other paper left. Then I could like piece it in or whatever, or create labels or something out of it. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have left of the paper. I have the packaging left over, which I did not use, which I know it seems weird that I would even show you that, but I did use the packaging on one of the other collections, so I thought I would let you know. I don't have package. This is all I have left. I didn't use it, and I'm gonna toss it because it's, I don't know. I don't see any reason to keep it, to be honest with you. I have this left as far as stickers. Lots of wordy things in this one, and this one is very scrapbooking related, but then I felt like a lot of the cut aparts could be used for cards. So this is really it. This is all I have left. But I thought like best wishes, sending hugs. There's another sending hugs over here. Congrats. Those can all be used for cards. So I don't know. I might use them for that. I think these are really kind of cute and pretty, so I might keep those. But this also has like hello friend and just because on the back, which could be very card related. So I will keep these bits and pieces. I will probably put this in with all my labels, and the rest will probably get mixed in with my color bins, with the exception of like the best wishes and the things that could potentially be put on a card. I'm going to start a container for that, which I don't have yet, but I feel like it's lacking in my scrapbook room because there's quite a few ephemera pieces within collections that have these kind of things. I know the Jen Hadfield ones are very heavy with a lot of these kinds of sayings, and I have some of those in my stash, so I thought I'm just going to start putting them together, and then maybe at some point I'll just whip out a bunch of cards and use them up, and then I'll have cards in my stash that I can just send when necessary. I know this is a super short video, but there's really not a whole lot left that I have because I did quite a few layouts, and this collection was a little bit smaller than some of the other ones, and I think I did double pages all but one of the days, so that took up a lot of the paper. And that is it. That's pretty much the end of Kit Conspiracy, you guys. The next couple of days I'll be sharing some layouts that were made with the leftovers. One of them is with the leftover paper from this collection. I did have one sheet of the this red background that I used, but it's not, the video won't be up on my channel until after this video is released. So it's going to be up, I think, on Monday, and this is going up, I think, on Sunday or Saturday. Sunday. Probably, maybe. Yeah, Sunday. So anyway, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, if you missed out on any of the Kit Conspiracy stuff, you can check it out on my channel or MK's channel all month long in April and November. And you can go and check our Facebook group so that you are alerted when we start planning the next one, in case you want to play along with us and purchase any of the kits ahead of time. I do think MK still has kits available for all of the ones that we've used this month. We usually do a pre-order, and then she orders a few extras. So I think she has a couple still in the shop, and you can go and check that out. I'll put links down below. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.